It's our fun zone. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sarah. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this DIY wall hanging decoration. This is a very cool decoration that you can hang anywhere on your wall. This is all made with paper, so you can make this like really easily with rough paper or A4 size sheets. Let's get started. And I really like this decoration as well. It took me 2 to 3 days to make it. So for this DIY, you will need a pair of scissors, some rough paper. You can also use A4 size sheet, but I had rough paper at home, so I decided to reuse them. And I'm going to be using German glue. You can use any other adhesive, any other glue, or you can also use glue gun, but I just prefer German glue as this is a very strong glue. So let's get started. So you're gonna take your rough paper or A4 size sheet, whatever you are using, and I'm gonna take a paintbrush. This is an old, broken paintbrush. You can also use a stick, and I'm just gonna roll it into my paper so it creates a very thin tube. And then I'm gonna apply some glue on the ends and stick them together so it won't open and it will be sturdy, really hard. Just like this. Roll it into your hands, and then I'm gonna take my paintbrush out, just like this, and there you go. Now you need to make 8 more sticks, like this. Now I'm gonna take 2 sticks, like this. But first I'm gonna cut off the soft parts, like the ends, which are not as thick. I'm gonna make 2 pairs. I'm gonna apply some glue on one stick and stick it to the other one for the frame formation. This way you will have 4 pairs, and I'm gonna assemble them in a frame shape. You can also do any other shape you like, but I just went with the simple one, which is a square, and then I just glued them together. You can also use tape at this point if you want. Make sure it is really even and it is not like messy or misshaped. And I have painted it with my watercolors, and this looks very beautiful already. Now you will need 8 more sticks. I know this is a hard work, but you will have to do it. Then you will take a pen and mark 4 points on each side for your sticks to go, because we will make a really good net shape, like a checkered shape, like so. And I'm gonna place some glue on my points and stick the stick on. So on each side you will have 4 of them, like this. And if the glue doesn't work, you can also use tape. And I painted both sides because I thought that the tape did not look really neat, so I'm going to use the other side. Now I'm going to show you how to make these flowers because we use them on the corners of our decoration. You will need an 8 by 8 centimeter square. Fold it in half to make a flappy triangle. Fold it again and then again, so this will make total of 3 folds. Now you're gonna face the flappy side like opposite to you, and we're gonna make a petal shape. You can make any type of petal shape, but I went with the just normal triangle shape, like this. Now I'm gonna trim it out, and here you go, we have our flower. Now I'm gonna stick the ends, and also you have to cut one petal out of the flower, which I forgot to show you guys, sorry. Now you will need 12 of these. Now you're gonna take your wall hanging decoration and take 3 flowers, and there are gonna be 3 flowers on each corner to make this a very beautiful bouquet. Now first we're gonna join our flowers. At this point you can also use glue, but I just prefer staple because it can make it really hard. So I'm gonna take 2 flowers and line them together, line their petals together like this, and staple them together. Oh my god. And then take the third flower and staple them on the opposite side like this, so it will make a really good and really beautiful bouquet. Since I'm using like a black paper, so you won't be able to see it that much, it won't be that much visible, but just excuse. There you go. Now you will have 4 sets of these 3 flowers. Each set will have 3 flowers like this. And now I'm going to use some tape and stick them to each corner of my wall hanging decoration. At this point you can also use glue, but I just prefer tape. This is what it looks like. It looks very beautiful. This is really pretty, and this will just add a pop of color to your room. And yeah, it was really easy to make. So bye bye guys. Like, comment, share and subscribe, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Bye bye.